Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you along a journey with me to a beautiful farm here in Jamaica. So come along with me and let me show you what I got from the farm. Alright, so today we are traveling from Kingston to St. Catherine, from St. Catherine to Clarendon. So we are going through 3 different parishes today. Alright, so if I've ever traveled on the highway before here in Jamaica, you know that they have some beautiful farms over on the side of the highway. But today we're not going there. We're going all the way to Clarendon and we're going to show you what I got. But along the way, I'm going to make some stop and get some nice food and show you guys what I got. So come along with me and let's enjoy this trip. So my first stop is Juicy Beef in Clarendon. So you know I had to get some Prestige donut fresh, and on the board is the different meal that Juicy Beef have. So today I'm going to get some soup, some cow skin soup. I'm going to get some cheese patty, and I'm also going to get wedge. I love Juicy Beef wedge. I'm not so big on their fried chicken, but I love the patties, right? So I know people love to debate Juicy Beef patty or Tasty's patty. I love Juicy Beef patty. The only thing with Tasty's patties is I think it's a little bit bigger. Alright? But first we're going to dive into our Prestige donuts. So this is the Prestige donut. As I said before, it cost about 600 Jamaican dollars, I think. Yeah. I think that would be $5 US. So we're going to open it and we're going to dive into it. Alright. So this is the donut, as you can see, fresh, and they sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top. So I'm going to go in and have my donut. Now the donut that I took up, I realized that there was no jelly in the middle. Normally they put a red jelly in the middle. There was none in mine. So the person beside me gonna show you his jelly. All right. So now I got my food from Juicy Beef. I am all set. You know, we have to check our package, the wedge, we have the patties, and we also have the soup. Now it's time to hit that farm. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So now it's farm time. So as you can see, I have my bucket and my knife. Of course, you know, the little dog, you have to come with us. If you know about a farm, you know the dog is going to travel along with us. So first we're going to pick some pear to bring back to Kingston. So I've already started to pick some pear. So I'm just going to pick up what I have and show you guys. Alright. So we want to ensure that we pick the pear that is fit. If it's too shine, then you know it's not ready. So we want to pick the one that is fit enough. All right. So of course, you know, I have my stick. Then I'm going to push up in the tree and just pull down some of the pear. All right, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this little vlog, you know. Really something different. All right, guys. So these are all the pear that I got. And I got 2 mountain sap that I'm going to bring back with me. Guys, this makes some nice juice. If you mix it up with some mangoes, it makes some nice juice. So this is yam that they have on the farm, and they also have oranges, and of course they have bananas, and of course they have cane and different things on the farm. All right, so we're going pineapple hunting. So guys, these are the pineapples that they have on the farm. Some of them not fit as yet, but we are going to cut some pineapples that are fit. So normally, if you want to know if your pineapple fit, then you would see that yellow looking thing on the side or under it. So That's how we know that it is ready. Alright, so of course, you know, I saw cocoa, so I had to pick this one. I had to cut this one because I need it. So guys, these are all the pineapples that I got from the farm. So I'm bringing these back to Kingston, and we're going to make some pineapple juice for the entire family. Alright, so if you look closely, you will see pineapples planting. So we are going to cut some more pineapples and show you guys different things on the farm. Alright, alright guys, so I cut this pineapple and I wanted to just show you what I'm talking about, show you when the pineapple is ready. Alright, so this one is ready, so we're going to pick it because we don't want to cut them when they're too ripe. So guys, I found this pumpkin on the farm almost ready, but we're going to allow it to just continue to grow. When the leaf over it is dried, that is time that we know that the pumpkin is ready. We also have some June plum, but the June plum is not ready as yet, so we're just going to continue on our journey. Alright, so I found ripe bananas, guys. So guys, I'm about to cut this banana, bring it back to Kingston, because you know we're not going to buy any banana from the supermarket. I also find some lime, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in my bucket. And I also find some green peppers. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue to see what I can find on the farm. Of course, we have some cassava, but it's not ready as yet. So this is the lime tree, guys. So these are all the things that I found on the farm. Guys, this is the end of the vlog, and these are all the items that I found on the farm. So I hope you guys enjoy, and see you tomorrow.